If you've decided to close your Threads account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, look for the Settings option, typically represented by gear icon. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 4. Find Account Options. Scroll through the Settings menu until you find the Account section. Here, you will see various options related to your account management. Step 5. Delete accounts. Select the option to delete or close your account. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision and complete the account closure process. Once you have completed these steps, your Threads account will be closed. Remember that this action may be reversible, so ensure you really want to proceed before confirming.